What's up, everybody? This is how I lost 230 bucks trading ES. So we'll just get right into it. So basically, I was looking for. At first, I kind of came in with bearish bias, thinking that we're gonna pull down to this 4 hour gap, take out some of these lows, but we in turn we get bullish order flow. So then I jump into a long here. So if we see come up, we sweep out liquidity, we break structure, also sweeping this liquidity, and then tapping into this extension EQ and this hourly fair value gap. We see bullish buying pressure out of that, and then a break of structure, 5 minute break of structure to the upside out of the fair value gap, which is right where I entered. I did get stopped out though for a total realized P&L of negative $234, and then I had my stop right below these lows, and I was targeting the top of this 30-minute fair value gap with first TP these highs. Then I believe that's, what is that? Then we have the, why is that EQ? I got put on that high, but it's this high. We already swept this high. Then bam, and then I thought that maybe we might come up here and sweep that, but I was gonna let it run. But I did get stopped out, so done for the day. Honestly, shouldn't have taken this trade. It was like a C setup. Oh my god, you guys have had no mic this whole time, but it probably shouldn't have been that bad. Was literally like a C setup. Um, Definitely should have de-risked. Definitely should have not put as much position size, put as much position size on there. 100%. How do you guys like it? Camera on the right side today, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, then we had like this SMT put in. There was another SMT, I believe. No, yeah, no, not at all. So once again, so when I was in here, let's go to the 1 minute. So I put my stop loss like right here, right below these wicks right here. There was a lot of accumulation right here, so I figured it might come down, fill this. So put my stop at these lows. I know if it goes below that, we're out. But it never came down here, so I'm really confused how I was stopped out. But I'm not gonna sit here and fuck around with the market. It really wasn't a good trade setup to take. So I kind of think that's why, kind of was like backhanded with that. I think maybe if it was a better setup, we definitely could have had some good. But dude, I thought it was really great, especially sweeping liquidity, breaking structure. We see accumulation, tapping into the 4 hour, hits EQ of the 4 hour, and then in this 5 minute extension right here, this accumulation, we come back down and hit the EQ of that, and then we see buying pressure out of the fair value gap, buying pressure out of equilibrium of this extension. So I'm like, yeah, I'm in there, and I entered as soon as it closed above previous high, bam, and then we did go up. We hit first TP. But yeah, I don't know, dude. It always stops me out when it never hits. I don't know. I don't get it, bro. It's really starting to irritate me. Um, Considering that I kind of know, like, bro, this trade, I know exactly where price wants to go. It's going to want to come up there, sweep out this high, and fill this gap. And even if it doesn't, it's going to at least hit EQ on there. You know what I mean? So it's just tough, man. It's just like what the fuck sometimes. It really is. It's just like what the fuck sometimes. I might come on, jump in and trade live Asia session soon. Though we will be buying a funded, guys. Soon we will be buying a funded, guys. So I'm very excited for that. Funded coming, and we're gonna pass it, and we're gonna do great, and then just keep going on my trading journey. Now, outlook for tomorrow. What do we think price is gonna do tomorrow? I would really like. So let's see, if we come here on the hourly, I think that we're still pretty overly extended. So yeah, if we look at that, really overextended. But what S&P likes to do a lot of the times is AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay? So as we can see, we always have these legs up. We have these legs up, and then it always, will create a range like this range right here. And then we see sweeps highs, break structure, and then this is a gap, so this really isn't too great, but makes these ranges, breaks out, moves higher, makes these ranges, breaks out, moves higher, makes these ranges, breaks out, move higher. Because I think we might be bullish for a while, considering with this we came down big time, dude. Hold on, where's my fucking here it is. What am I doing? Dude, can we? Okay, but because from this, the bottom of this range to like down there was 13% decrease in price, which is like yearly returns, which is pretty nuts in about a week or so. So I still feel like we'll have pretty bullish bias. Let's look on the daily. I still feel like, bro, okay. I still feel like we'll have pretty bullish bias. Yeah, after coming down and sweeping out, we swept out hella lows in this uptrend, and then now we're kind of continuing that bullish order flow. So I presume tomorrow we're gonna want to come up and possibly sweep out these highs, or not. What am I, dude? I'm on the daily. What the fuck am I talking about? Probably these highs, I'm assuming. Yeah, so those highs I've got to get taken tomorrow, and then we'll probably see a rumble back down to these fill imbalances, and then we also have this. We also have this right here that still has not got filled. This for Vega right here that it's just been kind of rejecting this whole time. So, I think it was a pretty good. It wasn't the best trade today. It was probably like a C B setup, in my opinion. But it was kind of my own fault. I kind of felt a little impatient. I haven't traded. I didn't really trade at all last week. I didn't trade anything yesterday. I didn't see anything. So then I kind of started to see something, and I kind of tried to push my own narrative a little bit, which I definitely should have done. We have to be observers. We say here at this market, we have to be observers. You know what I mean? I don't like how dude. I'm always like more like that. So I need to be like that, because like I want to be in the middle. Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't even know. Hopefully this looks good, but yeah, I think that will be our bias, and then we still have. So as we can see, if you guys don't know what an SMT is, right quick, basically a SMT is where we see on NQ, this comes up here and sweeps out this high, but oh, it did. I think, okay, so I'm just tripping, guys. So I'm just tweaking everybody. My bad. There was a SMT that got put in. Was it on the lows? I don't know. There was an SMT that got put in. Y'all just seen it a little bit ago. And it might have rebalanced, snapped back, and filled that. But it's all good, guys. Down $230 today. It's all good. Still up. So we're all good. But yeah, I love you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Love. Mwah.